Racial classification by Birdsell, a study in physical anthropology. Understanding human variation through anthropological perspectives. Welcome to Anthronet Academy, a study aligned with the UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Stay till the end of the video to know books related to this topic or check the description box for link. Introduction to Joseph Birdsell. Joseph Birdsell, 1908-1994, was an American physical anthropologist. Studied human population genetics and racial variation. Major contributions in the study of Australian Aboriginal origins. Developed a racial classification system based on morphological traits. Birdsell's approach to race. Classified humans based on physical traits such as skin color and skull shape. Integrated genetics and migration patterns into his studies. Rejected strict typological racial categories. Advocated for a clinal approach to human variation. Major human populations by Birdsell. Divided humans into three primary groups: Caucasoid, Mongoloid, Negroid. Subdivided these groups into smaller racial categories. Focused on skeletal morphology and geographic distribution. Emphasized that racial traits exist on a spectrum. Birdsell's clinal model proposed that human traits gradually change over geographic distances. Unlike rigid racial categories, clines show fluidity in human diversity. Studied skin color, blood groups, and cranial measurements. Supported by modern genetic research. Application to Aboriginal Australians. Studied Aboriginal populations and their genetic links to Southeast Asia. Proposed 3 waves of migration into Australia. Used skeletal evidence to support his migration model. His findings shaped discussions on indigenous population origins. Criticism and limitations. Some of Birdsell's racial classifications oversimplified human diversity. Critics argue his categories were outdated by modern genetics. Clinal variation is now preferred over rigid racial groupings. His work, however, laid the foundation for further anthropological studies. Modern perspectives on race. Race is now considered a social construct with biological influences. Genetic studies show more variation within populations than between them. Human migration and interbreeding blur racial boundaries. Birdsell's ideas influenced the transition to population genetics. Impact on anthropology. Influenced studies on human evolution and genetic diversity. Contributed to forensic anthropology and racial identification. Paved the way for discussions on race and human origins. His work is still debated in modern anthropological circles. References and further reading. Birdsell, J.B., 1972. Human Evolution, An Introduction to the New Physical Anthropology. Boyd, W.C., 1950. Genetics and the Races of Man. Lewontin, R.C., 1972. The Apportionment of Human Diversity. Templeton, A.R., 1998. Human Races, A Genetic and Evolutionary Perspective. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Anthronet Academy, for more insightful content on anthropology. Stay safe and connected.